Oh shit. Here we go. Look at that. She's really going now. I was dead earlier, now it's picking up quite a bit. Here we go. Oh. Holy shit almighty. This came out of nowhere. Whoa. That's like 60 centimeters. Holy shit. Come on, something here. Come on. Look at this. That's some hefty winds. Oh, Jesus. There's one. Jesus. Oh, another. Here we go. Hold on. Wowzers. Gusts and a half right now. Oh, wait. Just like I said earlier, every so often it really picks up. Now it's a very good example. Wow, that was solid 60 k's, potentially 70 higher up. Wow. Not that windy here though. That's a sad part with northwesterlies. Can't really get them. Sitting here is not going to be any good. Have to be in an open field to get anything good if they come from the northwest around here. Look at that, as soon as it's over. It's just like I thought, just quick rounds and then it's done. But then every so often there's that big 60-70 km gusts of wind. not too shabby so far. Something that I'll watch. Whoa. I swear to God, these gusts are funneled through here. Ridiculous. Wow. Wow. Persistent gusts. Alright, I'm going to go to a minute and a half mark. Nothing happens significantly, I'm going to go in. Let's go in now. Talk about being persistent. forecast. Yesterday there was nothing, so didn't do anything. Yeah. So showers are possible tonight and tomorrow. 60% chance tomorrow, 30% chance tonight. Oh yeah. And it warms up again for the weekend, 20 degrees. 19 on Friday, 20 on the weekend. Not too shabby. Potentially some instability on, I think it's Saturday, I'm not too sure, I don't remember. But Saturday or Sundays, and maybe a little bit of a mini storm threat as well. Depending if it trends. But yeah. There you guys go though. Not really much once again. I will see you guys later today or tomorrow. Here's the new records. Everything except this one, because that's today. Yeah. Except for today's minimum high. It's got 4 records yesterday. So we had a minimum temperature record, -6. Minimum wind chill record, -10. Minimum relative humidity record, 15%. And minimum dew point record, -15.3. Lots of minimum. Look at this. A minimum all the place here. These minimum highs, I think, are potential ones. I'm not too sure. I think these ones are legit. This one's not 100%. So basically, everything except that record's legit. Let's do that. Yeah, a lot of records. A lot of minimum records. All of them are. Yeah, there you guys go. I'll see you guys later today, if it's a good update, or tomorrow. Yep. Here's the forecast. So, we have showers tonight, ending after midnight. We got 6% chance of showers today. And then it warms up. Yeah, guys, up to 21, and then hold steady around the low 20s. Yep. So showers. When do they start? Oh yeah, they start at 6 and then end at 1. Nice. And then the weather's forecast. Not too shabby here either. Still pretty dry to start off, and then, as you see here, quite a bit of rain starts popping in finally. So it looks here. Close to 5, but 20 seconds, Jesus. And then we got Tuesday, 28th as well, but that's so fucking far out. Yeah. There you guys go. I will see you guys later today, more than likely, or tomorrow. Here's the forecast as well now from 11 o'clock. Do this before the 4 o'clock update. We're getting finally, some decent rainfall. First time we're probably getting measurable rainfall in, like, probably since March 30th. Yeah. Finally. It's supposed to be a little bit gusty tomorrow again out of north, 50 km maybe. We get lucky. Yep. And then radar here. This is what's showing. Very light, but probably going to be measurable rain showers. They always. Yeah, the rainfall is definitely a lot heavier. This is like, if it's not at 23 dBz or higher, it's considered 0.1, even though, yeah, for all I know right now, we're probably getting 0.5 millimeter rainfall rates, so still measurable rainfall. Yeah, but you can see it's starting to become a little bit more widespread. There you guys go, though. One more thing. We have 4 more records broken from yesterday. If 3 wasn't enough in one day. We can easily top that. And we did. Oh no, we had 4 before on the 12th. My bad, but still. Another 4 records. Exact same shit. Minimum dew point, minimum relative humidity, minimum wind chill, minimum temperature. Which you look at, that's all the same deal from yesterday. Yesterday we had a minimum dew point minus 13.2, minimum humidity of 16%, minimum wind chill minus 10, and a minimum temperature of minus 7.7 or minus 8. We literally have in all this here, all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14 motherfucking records. 14 records in the past 13 days, almost a week. The first, from the first, that's about to disappear. But yeah, a lot of records. So there you guys go now. I will see you guys potentially later today, if not tomorrow. Yeah, quite the crap fest. This is supposed to go until later this evening, so I'll check the rainfall totals later today. Yeah. Could I say this is one of the most interesting things this month so far? God damn. Wind and sun about the most interesting thing that's happened the past couple weeks. Lighten up a little bit. I can hear it. It's definitely a little bit lighter. Yeah, crappy weather overall. New update isn't much. Everything's basically the same, so it's not gonna be shown. But I'll probably show the radar. Yeah. Finally getting some beneficial rain. There you guys go. Probably see you guys with the radar update or rainfall again later, a little bit later this evening. Yeah. Here's the radar. It looks like this may be it. I'm not gonna bother bringing it in though, just in case we do get any extra rainfall. Even if not, just let it settle, because all that rain on the edge is also accumulated rainfall. So, but yeah, as we see here, showers ending overnight. It goes until 2 now. So never mind. But yeah, it's gonna get. It's a little windy already. Show you guys outside. Oh. So yeah, it's starting to get a little bit of a breeze going. But yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys tomorrow. No, later today or tomorrow. See, all day with no sun, and then we get this. Went from pissing rain to this. God, it is so busy for people staying at home. Whatever. Unbelievable. spinning quite good there. Say 20 k's, 20-25. It's getting there. Gives a little flutter in the wind. Well, here's the past radar from tonight, and Jesus Christ, these things were blazing south. Look at this. Merritt got smacked by something nice there. Jesus. Yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys probably in the morning. Yep. Really gusty. Yeah, God. In. Put that here. How gusty is it? So that's how it looks there. This is how it feels. Whew. Interesting. Jeez. It's like really. Yeah. Nothing. I guess cleaning did do something. Thought since it would be wet, it would be not even moved much, but I guess it being wet did some good. Okay. Like our last one, it's kind of like persistent gusts. Like there's that one big gust, then there's persistent smaller but still decent gust, and then it stops for a little bit, and then that big gust, and then cycle continues. Just seems like that again. So I mean, look how dead it is. I mean, obviously it's gonna be little gusts during the dead period, but I mean. And this is what I mean, look, there we go, big gusts. And now there's gonna be a bunch of other potentially as strong, maybe a little weaker ones. For like another 5 minutes, maybe. Oh my lord. Jesus. Again, the most interesting fucking thing in the past how long? The most interesting thing we've seen is fucking wind. See. God. This breeze is funnel through there. See, now in this case, it's dead-ish. It slows down, and then there's that one big gust that kicks it back up. Well, I mean, I'll head back out later, but I'm just gonna finish up some things inside. Stick around out here. Whew. Oh, I blew water off my face. Good timing. Whoa. These are getting ridiculous. Those were 60, 70 there. Those were enhanced by this. Jesus. Oh my lord. My shit's like gone further than last time. They aren't slowing down. My shit somehow blew further. I don't know how that happened. That's definitely been further displaced from the last time I checked. God, these winds are insane. Definitely stronger than our last one. Sure. We're known as one of the least windiest cities in Canada. This really, I wonder how old that statement's been. I can highly doubt that statement now. Whew. Whew. Look at that. Whew. It's blowing. Jesus. Can't tell, but I've got recycling bin looks moved. Jeez, it's not like persistent, but when it happens, it's like, God, it's actually some decent gusts. Let's see how things have changed here. That's always been good. Oh, Lord Almighty. It's been shredded. That part. Look at that. For the first time, I've never seen that happen before. I have never seen that happen before. Jesus. Bins are still up. I mean, all the garbage has been taken and shit, so. Our bins are still hanging on anyways. Jesus. I'm just out here to cool off. It's not really more so to see the wind, but at the same time, the winds are still blowing. Some little bit of convective buildup actually occurred. Should have expected that from the cumulus, but I mean, I wasn't 100% certain. Haven't checked stuff today, so yeah. Interesting enough, though. So as per usual, that parts are ripped up. That has, and now that's new. I've never had that happen before. Still windy, but I can tell it's not as persistent. Everything else holding up. Oh! Look at that. Oh, we're going to go head out back here. So, here was today. Yeah. We're going to go check some records here real quick, see if we broke any. We're going to just pop that. There we go. Let that load in. But yeah, this was today. Peak winds, so sustained, was tied between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m., 45 kilometers an hour. And the strongest wind gust recorded was at 1, with 61 kilometers an hour. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Pretty windy overall. Ouch. But yeah, we're gonna go check if we broke any records today, potentially. So let's go over here. Oh, no, there we go. There was our peak. There we go. This is actually about right here. Peak wind speed was 65 kilometers an hour between 9 a.m. and now. Oh no, 7 p.m. Okay, so let's check. What kind of records do we break? So we 100% broke a wind gust record. We did not break a maximum wind speed record. We did not break a minimum RH record, humidity record. We did not break any records, any other records. The only record we likely broke was the maximum wind gust record. And just realized now there's a new record that's popped up. Maximum humidex. Maximum humidex. Maximum temperature 27 degrees. Maximum humidex 25 degrees. Both 1984. Okay then, bro. That seems about right. There you guys go, though. I will see you guys tomorrow. Yep. So here's the forecast. So we got some showers possible tomorrow. And then we can finally start warming up and look at these nice, beautiful temperatures. 20, 23, 21, then it cools back down, and then probably precipitation starts arriving, coming back. So, but yeah, that looks pretty damn good. Yeah. Nighttime temperatures are pretty solid as well. 7 degrees, 6 degrees, 5 degrees. Oh, I just realized it's already exclude this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But yeah, that's it. There you guys go. I will see you guys later today or tomorrow. Yeah. So here's the forecast. Well, quite interesting to say the least. Yeah. We're getting a few showers predictions but the day before, like, because these little mini shower sets that come through. Anyways, after that we get into a nice warm up. 23 on Monday, and then it cools back down, but showers start coming back. When the hell we're gonna see our next storm threat is beyond me. Chance of showers set up at 1 and continue until 5-6%, and then it drops down to 40% from 6 to all the way till 5 a.m. and then a few showers are possible from 6 a.m. until beyond 10 a.m. presumably, because it says late in the afternoon, probably around until 3 p.m. Yeah. There you guys go. I will see you guys later today or tomorrow. Here's the forecast. So, pretty nice. 20, nice 20s, no 23, but still pretty warm. Probably will get up to like 25, knowing our luck. But we'll see about that one. Pretty nice lows as well for the nighttime. 7-8 degrees, that's pretty good. And then finally we get some rain. Not showers, not periods of rain. Rain. And then it quickly warms right back up to the high teens, which is pretty nice for April. Yeah. This looks pretty good overall. I like this forecast. There you guys go. I will see you guys later today or tomorrow. Here is the forecast. So it's changed a little bit now. Tomorrow's not supposed to be as warm anymore. I think it was supposed to be around 20-21 tomorrow, but now it's 19. Monday, Tuesday still pretty warm, 22, 21. But then now we got no rain for Wednesday, but now we got persistent showers possible from Tuesday night until Thursday. Varying between 30% for Tuesday night and Wednesday night to Thursday, and 70% chance for Wednesday. Still pretty warm temperatures too, so consistently at 18, and then they slowly start rising back up. Looks like we've hit that period where we're no longer going to get like massive dips in temperatures, and now we're going to kind of like stay steady at April-like temperatures, and this is about April-like as you can get. Showers possible in high teens, low 20s. But yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, more than likely. Here's the forecast. Shit. Anyways, forecast here. Monday, gonna be pretty nice, 22. Tuesday 21, and then now it's gonna be a little bit cooler during this little rainy period. Come on. But now it's Wednesday night to Thursday. We got some periods of rain possible with a 40% chance Wednesday and a 30% chance Thursday of showers. Friday's still pretty warm with a high of 19, and then some showers come back for the weekend. It looks like we'll finally get out of this dry period for April. So, yeah. If we can have a gradual warm up with the current snow levels right now, we probably will have a not so bad flood season, but we'll see. All it takes is one heat up and then a massive rain event, and then it just goes to shit. Whatever. There you guys go, though. I will see you guys later today or tomorrow. This is the forecast. So now I'm just going to do the weather notes for the first time in a while. But yeah, this is how the terrace looks. It's not too shabby. Plenty of showers possible with mid to high teens forecasted. Looking at the 30th right there, 5 to 10 millimeters. Now, one thing is looking to be, it's not going to be corresponding with a significant increase in temperatures, so it's kind of like, yeah. There you guys go. I will see you guys later today or tomorrow. Yep. I haven't checked, so let's see. So it's 21.4 at the airport. It is. Oh my God. 24. Wait, just hold on here. There's no way. 24.6. I'm gonna have to check the back, but till then, I'm just gonna assume the best. Holy shit. Holy shit. 24.6. Round that bitch up, it's 25. Oh my God. It's only April. On a different note, no potential storm threat for Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday and or Thursday, I should say. Wednesday seeming more probable, but they're kind of equal right now in probability. So, but yeah, 25 rounded up today. What? Oh wow. So here's the forecast. So quite wet. We got 30% chance of showers starting up overnight, and then 40% chance tomorrow, changing to a 6% chance Wednesday night. I should also just mention real quick, Thursday 6% chance all the way through. For the Wednesday, Thursday period, there is a slight chance we could see some thunderstorms, though I have not checked the recent models as I have just woken up, so that could have easily changed. One of these days may not be as good, maybe better, I'm not too sure just yet. And then this weekend it's going to be pretty wet as well. Showers for Saturday. Friday it's going to be sunny. And then Saturday, Saturday showers and 6% chance of showers during the night. Sundays is cloudy, and then chance of showers Sunday night and Monday. 40% chance, 30% chance. Yeah. That's about as good as it's going to get here. Looking at the past 24 hours here. Pretty warm, and we're just looking at tomorrow here, yesterday specifically. Got pretty damn warm at the airport yesterday. 22 degrees, the maximum high for this day though. Maximum temperature for this day, it was like 25, 26. Today it's 27, so we have no chance in hell, but yeah. By this point, yesterday we were at 10.6, right now we're at already 12.7. We're already a whole 2+ degrees warmer than yesterday at this time, so we'll see. Yeah. There you guys go. I will see you guys later today or tomorrow. Yeah. Now it's especially windy-ish. Or dusty, I should say. Look at all this. This looks like it's just... Whoa. Look at that. Oh God. Oof. Oh my God. Every person with allergies' worst nightmare there. Jesus. That was bad. God, look at this. Would love to go down the street. I'll consider it in a bit. But I think it's worthy. This is all ripped up now. This is all ripped up now to shreds. Oh crap. During this time, what we're getting, these winds typically, oh shit, these winds typically do the trick to get some dust going in during the dry period of spring. Look at this. Come on. Here. Here in the power lines. Whoa. Look at that. Wow. These are interesting winds. Wow. These are really interesting. I'd say in excess of 40-50K. Though they're starting to really blow, so I'd say 40-60. Wow. They're really going. Look at this. Whoa. Look at all this shit. Look at all this shit. It's really getting dusty. It's only April. But, like I said, during just even the slightest dry period in any part of spring, just looks like it always gets so dusty. Sometimes I swear it's dustier in spring than summer. during our windstorms. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. So many people coming down here now. Fucking Christ. Oh, leaves them on. Uh-oh. We're gonna get one whipping by right beside us here in a second. I guess. Jeez. It's all behind us, too. Behind me, I should say. Jesus. It looks like it's slowing down now. That's the flag behind the temple. Oh shit. There's another flag behind here, and that makes a metallic noise whenever it gets gusty sometimes, so. It's gusty like this anyways. Holy crap. Holy. Oh crap. Look at this. These are 50s. These are gonna be 50s. Oh my god. Jeez. These are going. These are blowing. Holy. Oh shit. Random. Look at this. Pumped to back out just to check this out. Now we're getting this.